Agriculture is evolving towards rapid modernization, but the price tag of this technology is rapidly growing too. Small farms who have limited resources are left falling behind in the agricultural race to large, wealthy farms. In particular, plant health monitoring options are often far too expensive for small farms to afford. Our solution is Agravia, the compact and AI-based robot which autonomously traverses fields to find signs of crop issues before they ruin farmers' harvests. Affordable, solar-powered, and farmer-oriented, Agravia is a novel assistant that will finally make high-quality plant monitoring accessible for all farmers. I'm Samuel.
I'm Cooper.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Tiko.
And we are Agravia. Each year, plant diseases, invasive pests, and irrigation challenges cost the global economy over $310 billion, causing losses of up to 40% of the world's most important crops. While manual inspection is an option, inspecting even small farms requires hundreds of hours of labor in a season, taking time away from other tasks and costing a fortune in wages. The automated alternatives are also prohibitively expensive, and they have significant drawbacks such as needing regular farmer supervision.
At a retail price of only $300, Agravia will change that. By physically traveling through rows of crops, Agravia gets high-quality data using 4 RGB cameras. Fully powered by solar energy and made of durable materials, Agravia can operate in the field for months at a time without battery changes or maintenance, saving farmers valuable time and money. After processing the images on its energy-efficient Tiny ML vision chip, the information is wirelessly transmitted via LoRa radio to the farmer's device.
Crucially, Agravia only uses commercially available components and technology. Using data from popular online retailers, its retail component cost is a little under $240, but this number is expected to nearly half as we switch to bulk purchasing. By alternately driving through crop rows and charging in the sun, Agravia can monitor 50 acres per week at 7 operational hours per day. Thanks to its weather-resistant chassis made out of PETG plastic, a solar panel provider with a 40-year warranty, and an extra battery, Agravia will easily reach its 5-year lifespan. With Agravia's operational power usage at 21.1 watts and a maximum input of 34 watts from its solar panels, Agravia is fully self-sufficient. Finally, given the hundreds of thousands of training images and open-source identification systems available online, developing Agravia's AI algorithm poses no significant challenges.
Today's farms, aside from costly manual labor, rely on drones and other ground robots. Drones are fast, but require trained operators, and the lack of precision and resolution from an aerial view means they cannot identify many types of diseases or pests. Both drones and ground robots also require regular battery changes and other manual assistance, which raises labor costs. Even the cheapest of these options costs over $5,000, more than 15 times in Agravia.
For the first time, small farms can afford reliable plant health monitoring, and the versatility, autonomy, and huge cost advantage of Agravia means that large farms will be eager to switch to a new system at a fraction of the old price. Able to patrol 150 acres every 3 weeks, one Agravia is perfect for a small farm, and larger farms can purchase multiple units to cover all their fields. This puts our serviceable addressable market at $1.72 billion.
Our business will have 2 crowdfunding and seed funding investment rounds. First, a $50,000 round to develop our low-power AI algorithm, build prototypes, establish partnerships with local farmers to increase consumer trust, and iterate our design. Then we will have a round of $150,000 to hire employees, outsource production to wholesale contract manufacturers, pay for marketing, and sell finished Agravia units. Once we begin to manufacture at scale, we will establish partnerships with suppliers and buy in bulk to radically reduce manufacturing costs from the retail value of about $240 to a final value of $160 for a profit margin of 47%. Using these strategies, we expect to capture 10% of the serviceable addressable market after 5 years of manufacturing for a cumulative revenue of $172 million.
Agravia is well on its way to the market. Our team reached out for feedback on Agravia from real farmers across the country, including a meeting with the precision agriculture specialist of A&T Farms, Alex Hogg. From Hogg and others, we gained valuable insights into the market and what farmers really need from a product like ours. This let us finalize our design with a physical prototype and user interface in progress. We have a solid foundation on which to build the company, and as we continue to develop our product, our determination and experience in the field will ensure that we succeed.
By making the latest in agricultural technology accessible to all farmers, Agravia will soon appear in fields across America and eventually the world, revolutionizing agriculture for the better.